And hello there Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, continuing from my last unboxing, we have the Immortal Justice Gundam, a new Gundam from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. And this is also a mystery who is a pilot, but you can see here we have a mobile suit mode and an AMA mode or MA mode, mobile armor mode, or I don't know what they call it. And same, who is Compass? Okay, so off to the side again, we see that SID action system, the new system that they are boasting for more and more availability, or possibility and mobility, maneuverability for the mobile suit or for the gunpla. We see here, yes, the change from the mobile suit mode into MA mode, the flying shield, flying bomber shield, I don't know what they call it. Unpainted state, back and forth, and of course, details about the movie. So let's take a look inside the box. First bag, we see, only a small sticker sheet, okay. Three sprues, one multicolored, one, I don't know what color this is, and an F1. Tiny sprue for this one, huh? Another, I think the dark navy. Another bag with 2 sprues only. All white and all dark navy or dark blue or whatever you call it. Another bag, 3 sprues this time, all gray, all crimson or pink, and all white. Another one, light gray, that same reddish pinkish color, and more gray. And the instruction manual, will it be the same as the Rising Freedom? No, it's a spread type of instruction manual. So only Rising Freedom has that booklet type. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolor sprue. We have this reddish pinkish one color. The beam saver effect parts are here. We have a clear green and a yellow. And yeah, the sprue was kind of bent, but no parts missing. A B1, which is that same reddish pinkish color. B1, and of course there is a B2, wherein we are expecting something here is the same, added or removed. Yep. AC1, which is all gray, and a C2, the same, all gray, and some parts are repeated and some are not. We have a D1, which is all white, and a D2, which is some parts removed from D1 and added in D2. We have E1 sprue here, which again there is also an E2 sprue, which is removed and added some parts, duplication. And we have 2 tiny sprues, which is we have an F1, which is a light blue, and a gray, light gray for F2. They could have put this somewhere, but yeah. We have a small sticker sheet, unlike the big sticker sheet from Freedom, Rising Freedom. And of course, I wonder why they reverted back to the spread here for Immortal Justice Gundam. And still, who is the pilot? We don't know who, and who or what is Compass. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the number 144 Immortal Justice Gundam from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. And now we just actually, after reading what Compass is there, yes, Compass is a combination of Orb, the plant, meaning where Zav was, and the Earth Federation, combined into one peace treaty sort of organization. So, and this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, hitting that notification bell, sharing the videos, viewing other videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.